Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the Mega Apple Leak Day. Today we have so many secrets to talk about regarding the iPhone 12. We already know that in the iPhone 12 series we're gonna see 4 models, but now thanks to the new leak coming from Front Page Tech, it is pretty much confirmed. So 4 different code names pretty much confirm the diversity of the iPhone 12 series. So we've got Pro and non-Pro models as discussed before. The differences between these phones are on the basis of what material they are using, as well as the size and the amount of cameras on the back of the device. So with the normal iPhone 12 models, we have 2 cameras, whereas with the Pro series, you get 3 cameras plus the brand new LiDAR sensor. Yes, this secret has been confirmed. It was officially packed in the latest iPad, and now it's going to be coming with the iPhone 12 Pro models. We actually have a leak coming from the iOS 14 software, and this pretty much confirms the design element of the iPhone 12 Pro and the Pro Max, how it's going to be on the back. So again, you're looking at triple cameras, wide, zoom, and ultra wide angle, along with a bigger and a stronger LiDAR sensor compared to what they have used on the iPad. This will help tremendously when it comes to AR, when it comes to 3D depth mapping, and all those portrait shots will look much better. Now, all models are rocking Apple A14 chip with 5G. According to John, all iPhones will have a smaller notch compared to the last year's model, but it won't be significantly small, so still, it's gonna be a noticeable notch. But on the flip side, all models are set to feature OLED displays. The Pro models will come with a stainless steel body, whereas non-Pro models will rock aluminum. Of course, they're gonna be cheaper compared to the Pro lineup. Now, another feature that is coming to the iPhone 12 lineup is the 5G network connectivity. This might actually just be exclusive to the iPhone 12 Pro models, because the non-Pro models will be cheaper and most likely they will be offered in the 4G flavors. Again, we'll see more info on that, but right now this codenamed leak confirms the diversity of the iPhone 12 series. 4 models looking pretty strong. Of course, one of the top features will be Apple A14 coming with a 5nm process. With this new advancement, it's going to be a lot more efficient as well as a lot more powerful compared to last year's chip. Obviously, it will put Apple to the absolute top. Now, on the Android side, there is one manufacturer that could bring a 5nm process based chip, and that is the Kirin 1000 from Huawei. So we can still see a competition between these two, but my money is on the Apple A14, and most likely it's gonna make these phones the most powerful phones. So what are your thoughts regarding the iPhone 12 model? I think Apple is doing a great job by including a 5.4-inch compact iPhone. We've not seen a lot of compact flagship devices, so I think it's a great thing that Apple is doing that. Drop a comment and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.